Hello, welcome to Food Place. Today I am going to show you how to make bounty bars. For that, ingredients which you need is milk chocolate, condensed milk, desiccated coconut and vanilla essence. So first you have to mix desiccated coconut with condensed milk. In 1 bowl of desiccated coconut, you need this 150 grams of condensed milk. Add vanilla essence to it. And then mix it properly. Coconut should get coated with condensed milk. Now you can see it has been mixed properly. Put it in the greased container. Spread it evenly. And leave it in the fridge for 1 hour so that it gets set properly. Before putting it into the fridge, you just cut it into bars so that it will be easier for you, because now it is soft, the pieces will turn very clean. So this is the way you just cut it and then put it in the freezer. This is the way you cut it, and now let it go in the freezer. After 45 minutes to 1 hour, you remove it from the freezer. It's not set completely, but you can, it is firm, you can handle it. So you remove from here, give proper shape to it. This is the way. Keep it here. Then in this manner, you remove all the fingers from there. Like this. And then again you have to put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. We remove all of them. In this way you have to remove all of them from the container, and if by chance the shape is changed, you can give the proper shape by your hand, and like this you have to make bars and put it for 20 minutes again in the freezer. After 20 minutes you remove it from the freezer and you can see it has become firm. Now you can coat it. So take this milk chocolate, make it into pieces and melt it in microwave. So just for 1 minute you keep it in the microwave, it will get melted. Now you can see we have melted this chocolate. Now you have to coat these sticks with chocolate. This is the way you coat them, and then turn and coat on the other side. And after coating it, you have to again keep it in the freezer so that it gets freezed. So this is how you have to coat it with melted chocolate, and again you have to keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes till the covering gets hard. This is how you make bounties. So this is the way you make bounty bars. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.